Never trust a big button to smile. That girl is poison. Whoo! Oh man. Oh, hey. Hey. Good afternoon. Good morning, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. Hey. Yeah, it's been a long day. I had my cheering today, so yeah. If you're new to my channel, thanks for coming through. My name is Bird. I'm an entertainer, I'm an entrepreneur, and I am a reactor reviewer right now. And right now we are watching Peace Be Still Season 2, and we're getting ready to watch Episode 4. Peace Be Still is brought to you by Victory Productions in association with the film Architectz. If you're new to my channel, I do talk a lot. So I broke this down into two sections. I have a short version and a long version. And on top of that, Peace Be Still is available on Vimeo. You can watch that down there. In the description box is a link to seasons 1, 2, and 3 of Peace Be Still. So you can watch it without commentary, uncut, and uncensored without me. And then you can come back and spend some time with me. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the new formats. As far as the short version and the long version, leave a comment down in the comment boxes. I'm gonna go ahead and give you my disclaimers. So in this video, there will be spoilers, fussing, cussing, sipping. It's incense. I'm grown. That's all I have to tell you. Like, I'm grown. I'm just letting you know that this is an adult show. Like, we're gonna be very adult here. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. I thank you for being with me. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you can get the drop on the latest content. And I'm gonna go ahead and shut the hell up and just get into this damn show.
You think you going? Chloe, it's my motherfucking baby. You're supposed to make Kane think this his baby so we can get this money. But you over there fucking playing, huh? Give me that shit. Come here.
No. Y'all gonna have to let me register that. So you was knocking down Trevor this whole entire time? Bitch. Hurry up.
What? Why are you telling me this?
I had to. I had to get it off my chest. And this is the necklace that I got for her.
Who are you?
I'm the man that you fell in love with, baby.
No. The man I fell in love with would never do something so horrible.
Abby.
You're a monster.
Abby.
Get away from me, Trevor. And I hate you. Now get the hell out of my house.
Abby, let me explain.
Get away from me, Trevor. Stay away from me.
Abby.
Stay away. Hell! Stay away from me.
What?
I love you.
What? I'm confused. Huh? Child. How that man on his back right now? How he on his back right now? You got shot from the back. You was falling forward. And in the next shot, he on his back. I mean, just... What? How you get the drop? Asher, what? I need answers.
Oh my God.
Okay. It's okay.
It's not okay, Abby. I just fucking killed somebody. And I'm going to hell.
Oh, okay. All right.
Boy, that's the second
I need
dude
you
you
to calm
killed.
down and just relax, okay?
So the first guy you kill, you're not going to hell? This one is the one that's going to get you to hell.
You need to call the police.
No. What I'm going to do is I'm going to call Gus. Yeah. And I'm going to have him clean all of this up. Are you going to be okay?
No, he's not. For some reason, he's japping out. And she's too cool. Like, she's too cool for me.
How did you get in my house? Your door was unlocked. Yeah, I guess you kind of forget to do certain things when you've been fired on your ass after a horrendous attempt at takeover. You know, get the hell out of my house, Abby. Sure. Although I do find it interesting, unfortunately. I think you're going to be my sister-in-law again, considering that my fiance is your brother. That is not... I really wish you people would stop trying to play dumb with me. It's more like, what do you want?
I knew it. So you're not gonna tell her you're not gonna tell her brother dead? Well, maybe we should hold that. Maybe we should hold that for a second.
Richards has been a victim of a violent robbery. Authorities say Richards was found on the ground in his home after receiving an anonymous tip that his house was being broken into. Richards was taken to the hospital. No word yet on his condition, and no suspects have been named or identified.
Stay out of darkness. Don't go down the same road your father did.
I guess Uncle Charles be coming in, cleaning up everybody. First of all, he act like he can't even move, let alone move her body and set up the stage robbery. Want some pussy?
What are you doing here, Naomi?
Give you some pussy.
I just wanted to congratulate you.
Give you some pussy.
It is not every day that Kanan Still can pull a fast one over on me. I mean, I found out a way to take half the company, and the way you finessed it right away from me, I don't know, I gotta say, I'm a little turned on by it.
I knew it. She wanna give you some pussy.
Abel wasn't available?
I don't know, and I don't care. He's not the one I want right now.
And what do you want?
You know what I want. Maybe afterwards we can have a little fun.
Oh, really?
You don't do that stuff.
There's a first time for everything, right?
Don't do it.
Yeah. Right.
Right.
Asher! Asher, it's Brittany! Hey, you didn't show up to work today. I'm kind of worried. Asher! Come on, open up!
Girl, get your ass away from my deer.
Asher!
This is breaking and entering. Child, we ain't getting in no deadbolt door with no card. Not no deadbolt. You lied.
Asher!
Go away, Brittany.
Exactly,
Go away.
B.
Oh, talk to me. What's going on?
Everything is all fucked up. I mean, everything. My whole life is just fucked up.
Nobody ever wants to use shower curtains in these things. And I, for the life of me, haven't figured out why. But you done forgot. A gun and a Bible? You put the gun on top of the Bible? The big brim hat?
Abel, I need to talk to you.
I don't got time right now.
Something I gotta tell you.
Felicia.
I'm pregnant.
What?
Pregnant.
Ah.
Say something!
don't got time for this right now.
What damn, Felicia? Bye, Felicia.
I didn't call the board meeting.
What is this?
I know. I did.
We got new members.
Well, I figured since we're now down officially as CEO, and now that you have sole ownership of Steel Publications, I thought you'd like to let the board know how you did that.
What's important right now is us discussing a plan to take Still Publications
Kanan,
global.
still. You are under arrest for the murder of Chloe Sinclair.
What the fuck?
Dirty. It's a dirty world.
How would you feel about getting revenge against the man that just took everything from you?
Nay, nay.
I'm listening.
Wow.
You will get an abortion.
Over my dead body.
That can be arranged.
All kind of incriminations. All kind of incriminations. Never trust a big button, it's my anchor, this poison. Man, oh man.
I ain't kill that bitch. You can't do this. I ain't kill that bitch. I swear. Get off of me.
Oh, before you go, I need to take a vote. All those in favor of voting Kane out as the CEO and returning ownership to the board of directors, please raise your hands.
Oh.
I'm on the phone with Mr. Thorne and Miss Ella Albright, and they're both in agreement.
And I'm on the phone with Jeremiah, and he's in agreement as well.
Oh, wow.
Well,
Now
we
you
know what
next.
needs to happen next. I nominate Abigail Steele for CEO. All in favor?
Oh, wow.
The Albrights are also in agreement.
So is Jeremiah.
Good luck, sis.
Oh, wow.
This shit ain't over. I'm gonna get my company back. I'm gonna get my company back. Get off of me. I'm gonna get my company back. This shit ain't over. Get off of me.
At least for right now. This is of all the things that Kane can go to jail for. He might as well. I still say that he ultimately did it. I mean, I do. I ultimately say that he did it. I ain't figured out just how and why, besides the fact that he done already done threatened her and, you know. But I'm trying to figure out why Trevor killed her if that was the plan anyway. Like, what was the point of killing her? I don't get it. You were supposed to make him believe that was his baby. He just didn't give a shit. I don't know what the plan was. The Abby got what she wanted. She got what she wanted. We in it to win it. I want to know if this commissioner is gonna come too, cause Pastor, you need to be as far away from a church as you possibly can be, because you don't make any kind of sense as a pastor. You over here committing adultery. You done impregnated the mayor's wife. She yelling all in the church. I just don't understand. What you finna lead? You finna lead us into destruction. Straight to a hell is where you're getting ready to lead us. And I don't want no parts is what I'm saying. I'm fretted. I don't want no parts. And not one time in one episode have you exuded the mannerism, the path of which you have put yourself so self-righteously on. Like you have been running amok in the worst possible way. So if you're going to lead by example, I guess we going straight to hell. You leading us to hell, and you doing it with God's word. And I take offense to that, sir. Mr. Abel. Goodness. Well, anyway, I thank you guys for tuning in with me. I'm going to go ahead and get into season 3. Click the link down in the description box. You can go ahead and get into it. Seasons 1, 2, and 3. We just got finished watching season 2, episode 4. That was the finale of season 2. Go watch the show. That's the point. But either way, you can come and watch it with me. And we can do a little quick review and just, giggle and kiki all night long. Hit that subscribe button. I think it's on this side. It's on one of these sides. Go ahead and comment down below. What other shows do I need to be looking at? What other things do I need to just get into? Because I promise you, we're going to be getting into some more. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for being so kind and just clicking that link. We're getting ready to go ahead and get into season 3. But until then, I'll see you next time. Y'all stay sweet on purpose.